Hi guys, I'm Ronnie Z here. Thanks everyone for watching my video right now. So today I'm at Deepwater Bend again. So I always get the fish here, and that's why I always come here. Anyway, so I got my DIY kayak outrigger. This is from previous kayak, which is a smaller one, but this one is a bigger one, so it's 3.9 long. So I'm just testing it with this kayak, and it looks like it's going pretty good. And yeah, I just need to put all my fishing gears. But yeah, fishing is not easy as well. So just pretty much for people who love fishing, love to struggling. But it's good fun. You get to see the beautiful scenery and just look around all the beautiful nature, and yeah, seeing people fishing, seeing people enjoy, which is happiness that everyone deserves. Happiness, as long as you don't hurt anyone. Whatever make you happy, you do it. Anyway, I'm getting my kayak going now, so pretty much I'm just sitting and yeah, just control my motor, and it's really stable. I'm quite enjoy with this one and with this setup, and it seems like a lot of people really interested as well. But it's good. So it's a bit of work to transfer in and out, but fishing, that's make me happy, and I hope make everyone happy. Anyway, before that, I just did some casting, but unlucky, my cast net got stuck on a rock, and now I just have to use my kayak to go there, and hopefully I can pull it in, but actually not. you see what I mean. So I got no patience for that, really. Yeah, anyway, there's people fishing at Deepwater Bend, and yeah, and this is one of the people I know. This guy fishing here every day, because this is during COVID time, and this guy every time I come here, they always fishing here. And there's the people from my old work. So anyway, so she helping me to give me the nest, so I'm just gonna try to pull it in. And yeah, don't forget my bucket, please. Thank you. Yeah, it's good fun. Fishing always a good fun. So yeah, I'm just gonna pull my cast net. I know I'm expect to get it back like a little bit tear is fine, but if I have to lose it again, oh well, shit happen. But at Deepwater Bend I lose pretty much 3 cast net already, so this is my fourth one. Yeah, actually it's pretty good on this spot to do the casting, but because it's getting high tide, normally I just do it when it's low tide and I just let it sink under the pontoon, and when it's sink under the pontoon and you just pour it in, damn, heaps appearing under there, there's hiding. So yeah, that's where I get all the live bait there. Sometimes I get like big mullet when it's like mullet season. So yeah, pretty much I just decide to cut it, which is I don't want to do, but I have to. I got no choice. I don't want to stay here forever. I need to get going. I need to go to my fishing destination. So yeah, finally I decide to cut it.
Go on. Definitely. Get a new one.
Yeah, everyone talking about this kayak again. So it's really stable for me, and with my weight, which is I'm put a little bit on weight because it's during coronavirus, and pretty much I know everyone probably the same, eating. Well, nothing wrong with eating. You enjoy, do it. Okay, anyway, this is my job. Look at that. Look at what I done. So look like I have to get another one. Oh wow. You like fishing? Yeah. Get another cast net. Anyway, life go on. Can't keep complaining about the mistake. Everyone make a mistake, then big or small, but if you learn from it, you work for it, keep you going again. Yeah, life. Now I'm ready to go to my destination. So I'm going to where I usually go with my friend, under the bridge. So it's a big fish around there, but I never caught one yet. My friend caught the big shower note under that bridge, but we came fishing at night. So now I'm ready. Let's just check this spot. So pretty much this spot is a lot of brims. So everywhere a lot of brims. I don't think many people eat brims here, but I quite like it because the meat is like soft. And now I got one. Hey, there's a big one too. This one, and a good size. They over 25 cents. So yeah, I'm allowed to take home dinner for tonight. Yeah, normally a lot of people around here, but today it's quiet, and during the coronavirus as well. Anyway, life go on. So this is my mission for today. It's just to testing outrigger kayak and get my dinner for tonight. Oh no, I just losing one. So this one is a big one. I can feel it's a big one, and cut off my lead line. So I don't know what fish in there. I don't know. But that day it happened many times, and it's always happen when I'm running out of bait. That's always happen. Fish always biting when you got no bait, but when you got heaps of bait, they're not biting. Oh my god. And that's always happen like that. That's funny. That's I would say for me it's funny. Fishing is, enjoyable. I quite enjoy when every time when I go fishing, it's clear my mind, clear my head, and I just concentrate on fishing. Life. Now come back to life again. Sorry guys, I know, and plus you guys have to listen to my poor English. I just hope you guys understand. I just wanna show a little bit of my ideas, and everyone got their own ideas. Whatever make you happy, and go on. You don't hurt anyone. If you make everybody happy, that is a goal. Like fishing, see, it's have to be patient with fishing. When you get the fresh fish, you get to taste the nature as well. Fresh fish is always good. It's always good. Yeah. So now I'm getting this one. Is a big brim. This is a big brim. This one quite big. I think there's probably around 36 from my memory. Yeah, and I remember this day I have a good dinner. I miss my hometown, but life, you never know, what will bring to your life. I never thought I will be in Australia, but hey, now I'm here, and I'm missing Thailand, Krabi. like I said, life go on. I still have to keep moving with my life. Doesn't matter where you live. Try to enjoy yourself. No one can hurt. That's the goal.